Welcome to this Rutland Library video that will focus on how to request books through the Mobius network of libraries. If you are a Three Rivers College faculty, staff, or student, you are given borrowing permission to request books from any Mobius library. Mobius is a consortium of nearly 80 libraries, mostly here in Missouri, that cooperate to provide resources to member libraries and their patrons. Please review the video titled, "What is Mobius?" for details about the Mobius network. To access the combined catalogs of all Mobius libraries, first go to the TRC webpage, www.trcc.edu. Then select ARC/library. Click on this link to get to the library's webpage. Once that page comes up, check the left side of the page for Search Mobius and click on that link. The resulting page is the opening screen of the Mobius network's combined catalog, which will allow you to search the collections of all Mobius libraries at one time. In order to request a book from the Mobius network, you must first identify the particular title that you want to request. That requires a search to be performed. Remember that there are many ways to search the Mobius catalog. The primary ways are by title, by author, or by keyword. For the most accurate searches, the best way to search Mobius is by using the Advanced Search button found on the opening screen of the catalog. Clicking this link will take you to a page that allows for more precision with your searches. Using the drop-down menu in the keyword slot, choose whether or not you'd like to do an author, title, or keyword search. Remember that title and author searches are fairly straightforward, but keyword searching is more broad and likely to bring up irrelevant searches. The reason for this is that the computer will return all instances of each word that is found in all the catalog records. For a refresher on different types of searches, please review the video titled Online Catalog. Now, let's order a book. Our example will be a very simple search for the sake of illustration. Let's enter the name of Neil Gaiman, author and illustrator, as well as winner of both the Newbery and Carnegie Prizes. Remember, with an author, you invert the name, so we'll enter Gaiman, Neil in the block just to the right of the author block, where you told the computer that was the type of search you wanted to do, then press search. You will see that the computer has returned a number of entries. Each one is a title within Mobius that a library or libraries own. Also notice in this list that books written by and written about Gaiman are given together. Toward the top of the page, the computer tells you that there are around 500 entries in the Mobius catalog that have Gaiman as either an author, illustrator, or contributor of some sort. These entries are listed 25 per page, meaning that your search might require you to look at several pages of data. Scroll down to look at a particular title that is listed on the first page, The Problem of Susan and Other Stories. Just below that entry, you will see there are 5 libraries that indicate they own that title. Just above the number of libraries is a line that tells you this is a book/journal and that it was published in 2019. Click on 5 libraries have this title. Clicking here will bring up the full cataloging record for the book, plus the names of the libraries that own it. At the far right of this list is a notation for whether or not the book is available. If checked out, the column will give you the date for its return. If there is a note in this column that says not requestable or unavailable or does not circulate, then you cannot borrow the item. But as long as one of the libraries on the list says available, you can order the title. You do not need to worry about where the book comes from. When you request the book, Mobius will pick which library will own it. Remember also that searching for a book by title or keyword follows the same process. Now let's complete the request. Return to the top of the cataloging record for this particular book. You will see a Request It button. Click on this button when you are ready to order. Choose your home institution from the drop-down menu that is provided in the next screen. In this case, it would be Mobius-Three Rivers College. Next, enter your name in the box as it appears on your student ID. Do not use nicknames or titles. In the next box, enter your student ID plus your college code, which is TRC. The student ID must have 7 digits. So if your ID has less, Place the needed zeros before your official ID number. For example, 0001234 or 00123445. Indicate a pickup location where you want to retrieve the book: Rutland Library, Poplar Bluff, Dexter, Kennett, or Sykeston. Click on Submit. You should get a response back from Mobius that your request was successful. The book will come to you in a reasonable amount of time via courier, and we will email you when it arrives. You have 14 days within which to pick up the book. If not picked up during that time, the book will be returned to the lending library. One more piece of information about the loan period. Normally, books are checked out to individuals for 4 weeks. If you are picking up your book from Rutland Library, that 4-week period begins when we check the book out to you at pickup. If we have to resend the book to one of our sites, the loan period begins when we send the book out to the site. Mobius books may be renewed 2 times if 2 conditions are met. 1, no one has placed a hold on the book at another institution. And 2, the book is not overdue. Mobius will not renew any material once it is overdue. Please let us know if you have any problems ordering books through the Mobius network. You can reach us in person, by text, by telephone, or via email. Please view the other library instructional videos for more detailed explanations of our many resources. Thank you.